case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, a significant case, Allen v. Clarian Health Partners, Inc. made headlines when it reached the Supreme Court of Indiana. The core issue revolved around contractual specificity and the resultant ambiguities that could arise, creating serious disputes. Coming to light when a group of uninsured patients filed a lawsuit against a hospital, alleging unreasonable and unenforceable rates for hospital services. The case triggered a back-and-forth journey through the court system. An initial ruling by the trial court dismissed the case, only for the Court of Appeals to overturn it and push it onto the steps of the Supreme Court of Indiana. The cornerstone of the patient's argument was a contract they signed with the hospital, one that notably overlooked a specific price for the services. The contention hinged on the precept of Indiana law, which sought to imply a reasonable price where a contract remained silent on the critical matter of cost. The court was thus tasked with examining the claim's legal sufficiency, discerning that the success of the push for a declaratory judgment heavily depended on the breach of contract claim's strength. However, the Supreme Court ultimately sided with the trial court's original decision, upholding the dismissal of the case. The court ruled that when patients agreed to pay the account, they were, in fact, consenting to the hospital's chargemaster rates. Given this interpretation, the argument brought forward by the patients for unreasonable rates found no credibility in the eyes of the court. Directly referencing Indiana law, the court determined it could not introduce a reasonable price term. Consequently, the lack of supporting evidence nullified the patient's claim of exorbitant rates, and the court declined to entertain the declaratory judgment plea.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.